Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is 11th of May, Tuesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's move into the system. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis update, feel free to subscribe my channel. And if you would like to know how I trade through this platform in real time and help my traders in real time, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD, if you look at the EURUSD, yesterday we had a short trade here, bang few pips, and we were expecting if the price going to break this support, we're going to be taking a short. But as you can see, price nicely respected, and we had a pullback long, and we banked pips as soon as the price hit to the previous high level. So let me share with you, we had this breakout long trade, bank few pips here, and then we had another pullback short trade on, so a very small long trade on EURUSD. If I show you the intraday analysis, if you look at the you can see London morning session, we were expecting the price, if the price going to break in 4 hour, we're watching in intraday. As you can see here, 200 EMA in intraday system, price nicely respected. As soon as the safest trader explained to trader, if the price is going to break the previous high or previous low, which price you can see here, previous high broken, as soon as the price hit this level, this is what we explained to trader, this is our final target. So bank only few pips this morning. And if you look at the New York session, we had it another analysis. As you can see here, we already had this breakout, bank beautiful pips based on the previous analysis. And as always, after the breakout, based on the momentum, as always, look for another pullback. So we have another very small long trade pullback long on EURUSD. So as you can see, we haven't seen any big moves, but we manage a few pips. And if you look at the EURUSD price right now is develop a triple top. Let's see tomorrow if the price is going to break 121.94 area, then we're going to be taking a pullback. Otherwise, if the price respect, then pull back long. Well, we'll let you know tomorrow, guys. But that's what we did today on EURUSD. Let's move on to the pound dollar. Even pound dollar, we haven't seen any big moves. As you can see here, in 4 hour, yesterday we had a beautiful long trade. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. So we were long, we had only few trades. As you can see here, right now the price is respecting the previous high. And if you look at the intraday, we had only pullback long trade in the morning and one breakout this New York session. If I show you the analysis, if you look at here in 4 hour, because we were watching this level, as you can see here, price nicely respected. And you can see here, based on that analysis, based on keeping an eye on the 4 hour chart, we have this breakout. If you look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, and that's what we explained to trader, just keep taking a pullbacks. As you can see, we had 3 pullbacks after this breakout. So beautiful trades. And the New York session, you can see here, price developed, because we were expecting price might going to break this level, but price refused to break that level and respected in 200 EMA in our intraday system. So the safest trade we explained to traders, take for this breakout, which price nicely broken, and we had another very small long trade on pound dollar. So technically, if you look at it in 4 hour, we haven't seen any big moves, but based on the intraday, we have managed a few pips. So this is pound dollar. All right, so tomorrow, let's see if the price gonna break the previous high. We're gonna be taking a pullback long, and if the price respect the previous high and stay below that level, then possibility of pullback short. We'll let you know tomorrow, guys. So let's see. Okay, so let's move on to the dollar CAD. Even dollar CAD, we haven't seen any big moves yet. As you can see, in 4 hour, price develop another sideways market, which is we are looking. We were expecting price might gonna break this level and long, but still price develop another sideways market. We'll see tomorrow if the price gonna break. We're gonna be taking a pullbacks. And if you look at the intraday, we had this breakout. And after this breakout, I was expecting might gonna break this 200 EMA, because we were watching in 4 hour this level, but price refused, and we technically came out for the break even. And afterward, as I said to you, trader, like just keep taking a pullback short, because overall momentum and trend is bearish in 4 hour, and that's what we explained to trader. Keep taking this pullback. So you can see here we have this trade we came up at the break even, and afterwards we made a few pp's only for this pullback. And if I show you the intraday analysis, if you look at here, you can see this is that's the only, yeah, this is the analysis at the, we did have the London morning session because the price was in the consolidation mode. And if you look at here, this is the breakout, we had it, and very nice long trade, and we were expecting if the price gonna break the previous high in 4 hour, but the price refused and came back. We came out of the break even, and afterwards you can see after this big move, we explained to traders take pullback as mentioned here, because the momentum was bearish. So we have this pullback, we have technically we had a 2 or 3 pullbacks on dollar CAD. So let's see tomorrow if the price gonna break the previous high, previous low and previous high. Sideways market, very interesting pattern. Let's see where the market is gonna break, and we're gonna be taking accordingly. As I said to you, we are intraday traders. We just take, you know, opportunity with a valid technical pattern based on the higher time frame price action, which is the 4 hour. So we'll let you know tomorrow about the dollar CAD. This is what we did today. All right, so the best trade we had it with the pound Swiss franc. That was a good trade. And if I show you here, if you look at the 4 hour, we were expecting this breakout, and if the price break, you can see here the major structure is broken. So then we made major focus on pullback, and that's what this was our final target, which is nicely hit final target. And if I look at this, we were long here, pullback long, and we also had this long at the New York session. As soon as the price hit to the 4 hour target, we banked beautiful pips. And if I show you the intraday analysis, if you look at here, based on the morning analysis, you can see here at that time the price was at this level, and the price nicely broken. You can see here this was the breakout based on the analysis breakout bank. As soon as the price developed double top, we announced to bank some profit and look for another pullback. So we had another very small pullback long, and at the New York session explained to trader that if the price is going to break this major support, then we're going to be taking a pullback short trade here. Otherwise, we're mainly going to be focused on long trade here. And another thing which is I explained to my trader, whenever you're taking a counter, you need a confirmation. So after this breakout, we were expecting a counter trade pullback, which price refused, and that's why based on the high time frame price action and sentiment, we taken this long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the 4 hour target, we banked beautiful pips on pound Swiss franc. So this was the trade of the day, banked beautiful pips on pound Swiss franc. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy all these analysis details. If you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the 4 hour analysis, even if you don't have forex trading experience, don't worry guys, we provide a full forex coaching and training through this platform. As I said to you, I'm keep telling you guys, my main objective is to train trader with the live market. That's the only way and the best way you're going to develop your trading skill, because you can see it exactly how it works, you know, and that's the key thing. And of course, once you develop your trading skills, we also open the door for you for funding. And if you would like to know how I help my traders to develop the trading skill and get funded through different pop firms, if you're interested for more information, feel free to book one-to-one free consultation, and my availability calendar link is also given in the video description. And even if you are a professional trader and if you're looking to make extra pips, as you have seen, this is purely price action. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.